guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, look at what South Africans are going through in their own country. They are not allowed to run small businesses. Foreigners are not allowing them to run small businesses in their own country. Let's watch the video, guys.
Yo, guys, I'm based in Alexander Township. Lama somalen laweni wabonayo lapha across the street asithole thina sirana business. Let me show you my business, guys, because every time ngishuta angaze mina nganitshengisa business lami. Guys, this is my business. You can see I'm a feature amagcwele mfethu. I'm working here angidlali and anginandaba nabo. You understand abafethu? Isomalian because abantu everyone vele is been asking amasomalian ukuthi ahamba nini. Isomalian lela lisuka lapha guys by 4 bazobuza mina a South African ukuthi futhi akangibuza uyangitshela ukuthi I must stop sending people to his shop from nini. Yo guys, I said ngeke in Alexander Township in my fucking roots.
So the question is, can you as a South African go to Somalia to intimidate Somalians in their own country to tell them to stop running their businesses there? Because the business must be run by you and the government of Somalia will allow you to do that. Do you think that is possible? But of course it's happening in South Africa because the government of South Africa is allowing it to happen. Each and every country in Africa, all small businesses are reserved for locals. Only South Africa is not doing that.
La elenzana ngizobuza iSomalian mina kodwa ngimiyekanga ngimtshela amasimba. Guys, mara ngicela ningiboniseni from that distance basuke baphuma amasomalian ayi4 azongilanda azongibuza ukuthi mina bathi bangitshela bathi stop sending people to our shop. Ngeke ngasenda abantu mina estoro sabo because I'm doing my thing. They are also doing their thing. Anginendaba nabo futhi. Yo guys, yazini I'm fuming. Yazini yo guys, ayangeke guys sicela usizwa never.
Sanibona. Igama lami nguSthembiso wangale ezantsi eBhunwini. Mina ngale ezantsi benginesitolo, angisebenzi. Ngavula i-tuck shop kadayisa. Asuku my friend endaweni engaphezulu engade weza kumina wathi ndoda ngifuna ukuvula isitolo la vala. Ngathi mina ngenze njani ngoba angisebenzi phile ngani. Wathi uzobona makangavula lapha ngeke usawodayisa lutho. Ngempela ngidayisa ngalutho. A day before avule yena lapha ngagqekezela ebusuku. Ekseni kwami truck lapha wangena wadayisa. Ngahamba ngothenga enye impahla ngemali yokugcina ekhona. Ngavula esitolo. Babuya beza nezibhamba zongikhomba. Kumanje mesingaya ngale ezantsi ekhaya esami isitolo sinokhula ibacklagathi kade yagcina ukuvula. Ngoba nami ngisabela impilo yami. USthembiso ngangcobo nami ngabe ngishona ngidutshulwa noma ngeziwani. Nazi ukuthi kufe ba. And kunjalo vele siyasatshiswa. Even amaphoyisa ayasifeyila bafethu. Iphoyisa mina mangilibiza ngifika after 5 hours. My friend mangabe beziphoyisa ifika within 15 minutes. Soneni makhosi akithi. Soneni ma politician wayidayisa ngathi. Abahambe. Siyabonga mama.
So yona ke impilo ephilwa ama-South Africans ekhountryini yawo lena because ugovernment uyivumele vele ukuthi ama-South Africans aphile njengama-foreigners in their own country. Njengamanje sisabiswa abantu abasuke emazweni wabo bacrossa more than 10 countries to come down to South Africa to run spaza shops, to run salons, to run barber shops. And you'll ask yourself ukuthi in all these countries, Somalia, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, can you as a South African go there to start opening a salon, to start opening a spaza shop, whether it's in Nigeria, Bangladesh? Can you be allowed by the people there, by the government, without any papers, without any documents that is allowing you to run a spaza shop in Somalia? Can you be allowed, even not only by the government, can you be allowed by the citizens of Somalia to run a spaza shop in Somalia? Let alone the government. Can they leave their own brothers and sisters who are running tuck shops there to come and support you as a foreigner? Let's assume ukuthi government waseSomalia uyakuvumela ukuthi uyirun i-tuck shop in Somalia. Can Somalians come to your shop to support you there? I don't even understand ukuthi why Alexandra isitolo se-Somalian and a South African zibe opposite and zowu-two zifunction. Why are South African going to that Somalian shop Why bengathengi kuphela esitolo se-South African? Why did they even open a shop in front of a South African shop? Angithi uyabona ukuthi vele bebezele khona ukuzomdestroy, bebezele khona vele ukuzommoshela. Banale style sokuthi uma bebona i-South African irana ibhizinisi, they will go there to suffocate that South African. Because their plan is for you as a South African to leave the area for them. That is why they will come in numbers. And if they see that you are stubborn, you don't want to close down your business, it's either they burn the shop, they unalive you, or you disappear. Sizophila kanje kuze kube nini? Is this the kind of life our government wants us to live? Oh, it's so sad. And it's very clear ukuthi government wethu akafuni labantu bahambe. They don't want to secure our borders. They don't want to do the mass deportation. Because you cannot tell me that you are deporting people every day, but borders are wide open. It's just a waste of time and money. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.